We respond to incidents for clients on
Right.
their worst day more
Right.
often than helping them prepare through tabletop exercises for their worst day.
Okay. Right. So you're called for the worst day. You wish you were called for the practice day. Um,
Yeah.
and I wonder, just Prasanna, what do you think? Like what percentage of companies actually do a tabletop exercise like this?
So I'm hoping, and I'm going to be optimistic and say that probably at least 70% of companies do a tabletop exercise in some part of their organization. And it may not be a formal tabletop exercise doing
Uh,
everything end to end, but they do some form of what could be considered a tabletop exercise.
but okay, so I should have specified a
Yeah.
tabletop exercise for the purposes of cybersecurity. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah. I would probably say 30%.